Hey friends, if you're unable to run checklist scan on your computer, then I will guide you through two solutions only, because these are the ones which will work at the software level. If this doesn't work, then there is something wrong with the hard drive itself. So the first one is to search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane, otherwise it will not work. Type chkdsk space /r space /f. This is the complete command. Hit enter, press Y and hit enter once again. Now, here's what people do: they just type chkdsk and hit enter and they think that the job will be done, but it doesn't work each and every time. Now, the second case that could impact the process at the software level is that a third party software product could be interfering. And there are a lot of such disk management products. So, in this case, you can perform a clean boot to isolate this possibility. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable or apply OK and then restart the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.